In the vast unknown, a single photon proves light is both wave and particle, a paradox that reshapes reality. Nature hides patterns from branching trees to glowing algae, inviting eyes to find order in chaos. In labs worldwide, engineers turn hard ideas into simple tools, from code driving phones to sensors tracking climate. The universe keeps a ledger, from subatomic quirks to galaxies, where gravity choreographs dances on invisible stages. Following this bridge between cosmos, nature, and tech, viewers grow curious, ready to explore with questions and experiments together boldly.